What if you could start earning extra money this week without spending a single dollar up front? Imagine opening your bank app at the end of the month and seeing a little extra padding, all from side hustles you set up in your free time. The best part? You don't need to be an expert, and you don't need any money to get started. Whether you're a student, just starting your career, or simply looking for ways to boost your income, there are real, practical ways to make it happen. Let's explore 6 side hustles you can start today with zero investment. First up is freelancing. With the skills you already have. You might be thinking, but I'm not an expert in anything. The truth is, you probably know more than you think. Can you write, design, proofread, translate, or even manage social media? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and start offering your services for free. Even if you don't have a portfolio yet, you can start by doing a couple of small projects for friends or even for yourself, and use those as examples. For instance, if you enjoy writing, try crafting a blog post or 2 on topics you're passionate about. If you speak 2 languages, try translating a short article. Over time, small gigs can snowball into a steady stream of clients and income. Next, there's print on demand. Wait, doesn't selling t-shirts or mugs require inventory? Not anymore. Print on demand lets you create designs for products like shirts, tote bags, or phone cases, and partner websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Mercy or Merch by Amazon handle the printing, shipping, and even customer service. You only need to make the design, which you can do for free using tools like Canva. Let's say you have a quirky idea for a slogan that you think your friends would love. You turn it into a simple design, upload it, and whenever someone buys it, you earn a cut. There's no risk and no upfront cost, just your creativity and a bit of time. Third, content creation. Before you roll your eyes and think, not another YouTuber, hear me out. You don't need fancy cameras or editing software to get started. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even podcasts let you share knowledge, entertain, or document your journey using just your smartphone. Maybe you love reviewing books, sharing cooking tips, or giving life advice. Consistency and authenticity matter more than production value at the start. As your audience grows, you can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or even digital products like ebooks or guides. Remember, every big creator started with 0 followers. Fourth, tutoring or teaching online. If you're good at a particular subject, math, English, playing guitar, or even using Excel, there are students out there who need your help. Websites like Preply, Cambly, or even Facebook groups connect you with learners worldwide, and you can set your own rates. If you're not sure where to start, offer a few free sessions to friends or family for testimonials. Over time, you'll build confidence and a reputation, and before you know it, you could be earning decent money on your own schedule. Fifth, flipping free stuff. Ever heard of the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? Apps like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even your local community boards are full of items people are giving away for free. Furniture, electronics, books, you name it. All you need is a sharp eye and a bit of effort. Pick up something interesting, clean it, maybe fix a small issue, take great photos, and list it for sale. This side hustle is perfect if you enjoy hunting for bargains and don't mind a bit of manual work. Plus, you can start entirely for free. Sixth, remote microtasks. These are small online jobs that pay a little for each completed task. Think data entry, surveys, website testing, or transcribing short audio clips. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Appen, or User Testing don't require any investment to join. The pay isn't huge per task, but if you use spare moments, like waiting for the bus or during TV commercials, they can add up over time. For example, imagine spending 15 minutes a day completing micro-tasks on your phone. At the end of the month, that's hours of paid work you squeezed into otherwise wasted time. Now, you might be wondering, which of these should you choose? The answer depends on your interests and your schedule. If you love creative projects, print on demand, or content creation, could be a great fit. If you want quick wins and flexibility, try microtasks or flipping free stuff. Want to hone your professional skills? Start freelancing or tutoring. The real key is to pick one and give it a fair shot. Don't expect to get rich overnight, but do expect to learn, grow, and see your first $5, $50, or even $500 come in over time. Let's take a real-life example. Sarah, a full-time student, started by offering to proofread essays for her classmates. She used free tools to check grammar and style, built a small portfolio, and listed her service on Fiverr. Within 2 months, she had regular clients and was earning enough to cover her monthly coffee habit, plus some. Meanwhile, James, who loves graphic design, uploaded a few simple t-shirt designs to Redbubble. He promoted them on his Instagram, and after a few weeks, started seeing sales trickle in. Step by step, both Sarah and James turned their hobbies into real money, without ever dipping into their savings. So, what's stopping you? The biggest barrier isn't money. It's usually self-doubt, or simply not knowing where to begin. The trick is to start with what you have, leverage free resources, and focus on building momentum. Every side hustle, no matter how small at first, plants a seed. Over time, some grow into steady income streams, and a few might even become your main source of financial independence. Here's a wise takeaway. Financial freedom doesn't always come from one big leap. It's often a series of small, consistent steps. By starting a side hustle, even with $0, you're taking control of your financial future. You're learning new skills, building confidence, and proving to yourself that you can create value from nothing more than your time, effort, and creativity. So tonight, instead of scrolling endlessly, why not brainstorm your first side hustle? Test out a freelancing site, sketch a design, record a short video, or check your local listings for free items. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Your journey to extra income, and maybe even financial freedom, starts with a single step.